Alright, so I have this 2013 Jeep Wrangler, and it was giving us a misfire on cylinder 3. Now, it's giving us a misfire in cylinder 1. What I did was swap coil pack 3 to coil pack 1. Put coil pack 1 on cylinder 3, and it jumped. More than likely, bad coil pack. Alright, and here I have the replacement coil pack. There are my coil packs right there. What you have to do to access this is just go ahead and take off the engine cover that's just sitting there on the floor. Just have the nipple there, just pull it up, should come out. Here's our brand new coil pack. Let's go ahead and remove the one that it's giving us problem. Cylinder 1, it was on cylinder 3. The original one from here, I threw it over there, threw that one over here. Now this is giving us the issue. More than likely, it's the coil pack. So just go ahead and swap it out. You're gonna need a 10mm. The way I'm gonna do this, 10mm with a swivel, an extension, so I can reach to it and get it out. And go ahead and pick it up a little bit. That exposes the pigtail. Go ahead and press that out and get this pigtail out. Go ahead and remove the coil pack. Let's go ahead and replace it with the new one. Let's go ahead and put it in here. Let's go ahead and plug it back in. Just like that. Clicks all the way in and place it back into place. Oh, be careful. This shit is hot. Let's go ahead and bolt it down. Alrighty, once you have that nice and secured, put the engine cover back on, clear the check engine, and we'll give it a try. Alright, we'll put the car onto the run position. That's the second turn to the key, where everything turns on, your AC turns on. Now it's connected to the car. Let's go to in here.
Engine is at operating temperature.
Okay, let's go ahead and clear these. Completed. Refresh one more time. That's still historic. Start the vehicle up. I don't feel no more misfires. Before you can feel it stumbling on itself. Not anymore. Everything feels good. Refresh this. Sweet. Now this just needs a drive cycle. So the moral of the story is, it appears that the coil pack was the issue. And that is how you could do that. You could switch the coil packs over from one cylinder to another and see if it changes, see if the misfire jumps. What I did to this vehicle was replace spark plugs, and now I replaced the bad coil pack. The good thing I did the spark plugs, because cylinder 6 was freaking horrid. All the other cylinders were good except for 6. But brand new spark plugs, one set of well, not a set, one coil pack brand new, but hopefully the other ones don't give out. But that's pretty much it. Now we just need a drive cycle and we're set. No more misfires. Go ahead and scan it one more time. Perfect. Beautiful. We just need a drive to clear this cylinder misfire. Should be good. Thank you for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.